One of the most effective, not to mention fun ways of learning is actually practicing those skills in the live environment, and doing that every day will help you build those skills over time and really cement them. Hello, everybody. I'm Bessie Weiss, Senior Director of Education at Webflow. I run the team that is responsible for Webflow University. We are really looking at how to develop more hands-on learning on Webflow University. I am asking AppGen to build me something that is a daily challenge. This is a great opportunity to kind of create a game that lets people try things out, come back every day, get challenged in different ways. So here are the results. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that medium challenge. As you can see, it's giving me some details around it, including what the requirements are, how much time I have, and it will start the clock when I tell it to. Some tips, and then the allowed elements. Once I click Start Challenge, I'll go into Webflow and actually build this. And then once I've done that, I have the ability to submit my work, and then I can look at my submissions as well as other folks' submissions here on the community submissions page. I can have other folks take a look at mine, and I can look at where I am on the leaderboard based on how many of these challenges I've done, how many points I've gotten, which is pretty exciting. I can also see what some of the upcoming challenges are, so I can practice my skills in advance, or maybe pick which ones I want to do on which days. This was a lot of fun. I am not a developer, and genuinely, as I saw it writing that code in the background and saw the results, I felt like I had true developer superpowers.